Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Raga. So welcome back everyone. I know it's been quite long to upload a new video on Spring Boot or any other technology. So I'm trying my best to uh, continue what I just missed. So from this video onwards, I'm going to integrate multiple technologies or tools with Spring Boot. So today's agenda is integrating Liquibase with Spring Boot framework. Yes, so today we are going to dive into integrating Liquibase with Spring Boot to streamline database schema management. And what is Liquibase? Liquibase is an open source tool designed to track, manage, and apply database schema changes. So there's been a lot thing about Liquibase. So again, this tool or software is not new. It's been quite a while in our IT sector. And let me open its Wikipedia page to give you an overview. So this is an open source tool, and it was started in 2006. So it's 2025, January 2025. So it's been quite long this software is there. So today we will try to integrate this Spring Boot. So I'll start with some idea or steps like how we are going to integrate it. So first step is definitely the introduction which I'm giving you. Then we will see prerequisites like what you need as a knowledge to continue with this topic or this tutorial. Then we will see what is Liquibase. Not much in detail, but yeah, definitely we will dive into the details about Liquibase, which is it is essential to continue with that. And then we will do all the setup stuffs and fourth step. Then we will do some configuration and some changelog files, which is a part of integrating process. Then we will run that Liquibase command, or maybe from Maven commands we will run. Then we will verify like what changes has been done when we execute code. So let's meet in next video and continue with these mentioned steps. Thank you very much.